Bonjour et bienvenue à Easy French. Hey friends, today we are going to learn about the conjugation of the verb avoir, which means to have. Remember, this is an auxiliary verb, which means with the help of this verb, we can make the sentence into the past tense as well. And that's why this verb is really very important to remember. So let's do the conjugation of avoir in present tense. Let's do it. Avoir, which means to have. Let's conjugate. J'ai, I have. Tu as, of course you have, that's an informal way. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we say it, nous avons, and that means we have. Vous avez, you have or you all have. Remember, we have to do it in the formal way as well. Vous avez, ils ont, that means they have. Now ILS, that means a group of only boys or either a mixed group, that is having a masculine and a feminine both. So in that case, we have to use ILS, il. So it says, ils ont, they have. Elles ont. Elles ont. Now this they is a group of only and only feminine. So let's repeat one more time. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now you can just heard about the sound of z with nous, vous, il and elle on the right hand side because that's a plural one. Now, why we have this z sound? Remember, all nous, vous, il, elle ends with s, the alphabet s, and the conjugation starts with a vowel. So this is a listening. We have to club this s sound with the conjugation of avoir, and that's why it is nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now that's the conjugation of avoir. So let's take some examples, very basic examples how we use this in a sentence. I have a pencil. That is, j'ai a crayon. J'ai a crayon. I have a pencil. You have a pen. So how to do that? That's an informal way and we can do it. Tu as a stylo. Tu as a stylo, and that means you have a pen. Take one more. She has a book. So it is elle a livre. Elle a livre. She has a book. Okay, in the plural form, we can take one more, and that is like we have a car. So it is nous avons une voiture. Nous avons une voiture, and that means we have a car. So through these examples, I hope it's easy to understand how to frame the sentence of the conjugation of avoir. Well, I hope you understand the usage of avoir through this video. Well, that's all about this video. And yes, to learn French step by step and in a very easy way, all you need is to just subscribe my channel, Easy French. That's it. Okay. So till the next video, take best care of your health and happy learning Easy French. Merci.